Morning, Beverly. How you doing? We have a client on the phone? Mm-hmm. The wedding's going to be when? In 3 months' time? Okay. Did you tell them they have to put a deposit of $15,000? Because I'm going to come cheap, you know, I'm going to come cheap. Yes. Them have the money. Them are multi-millionaire, 15,000 and nothing, a chicken scratch. Right. You can put them through? All right. What's the name of the bachelor? Mr. Precos. Precos. That's your man. Put him through. All right. Hi, Mr. Precos. This is Miss Sam. Yes. You've reached the right number. This is the Buck Wild Bachelor Party Enterprise. Yes. Where all your dreams and all your fantasies come true. Yeah. A $15,000, you're not going to let me take that from now before me even going to it, because whatever you tell me, you want the donkey special. And you know, so the donkey no, for the donkey to perform. And you measure for your cocky next to for him one. Because you white like that and dirty and nasty. It's extra money. And we have to feed the donkey organic vegetable, else in cock now stretch for you. Right, and you want videotape the whole thing. You know, on the white people, it's very, 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 very weird. May I tell you, we be weird too, because we are providing the service. But if there wasn't a demand with nasty people like you, sir, we wouldn't be providing the money I deal with right now. Right, so that's the donkey special. No another thing where you want strippers, but you want the midget ones, them. We have to go all about at the circus them and find the midget them to do the little tricks, and you want them to do sex tricks as well. You know what? Then if you give up your business, you get the class. If you follow the people, we can't shoot that in. Right. You know, funny, Mr. Precos. Right. So you want the midgets them. You want male or female? You want both. All right. You also want a couple of hours from OBT? What is? So now me have to walk street like I want now. If you pick up prostitutes, if you bring at your bachelor party, that is an extra $3,000. I'm sorry. Right? Me not come cheap. Right. Let me see what you have on here too. Right. In matter of fact, me call Miss Pinky, because she's a war herself. She might just even do it for free. Right. So me try Miss Pinky as a bonus. I want this. All right. No, me say you want some of the elite at your party. You want me to hook that up with you? I mean, me notice say you put Trump there. I want this. Do me a favor, right? And I will take out a 10%, take off a 10% discount. If me get Trump there with the Wales Clinton and Father Bush there with them nastiness, make sure you videotape it. Make the girl them piss on them. Yes. Freaky deaky. Me and the conference. Make sure you do that to me, you know. Make us set it, man. Anyway, I forgot because we have other clients. All right, we chat to you. Bye.